If you're looking to make a career in the big bad corporate world and you want to join up the ladder of success and be in the top position of any particular MNC that you aspire to be a part of, then you have to go and do a reputed MBA. And reputed MBA from obviously a well reputed college. And what can be the better reputed colleges in India other than the IIMs, the Indian Institute of Management? Now, what is the gateway to get into these prestigious institutes or other institutes of a similar league? For that, you have to appear for an examination called CAT. CAT stands for Common Admission Test, which is your gateway for getting into the IIMs, or if I talk about top 70 institutes in our particular country, more than 60 of them are taking up the score of CAT. So if I talk about the IIMs or the top institutes, then these top institutes have an alumni network of so many positions of the or the people who are there in the most reputed positions in the multinational companies around the globe. A degree from a reputed IIM would definitely help you to build a satisfying career, have a big fat salary package, obviously, and to make an impact as well in the corporate world. Still, people feel that CAT is a very tough examination and they might not be made for that particular kind of a competition. But I would like to make sure that these myths of yours are eradicated. How? Because if I talk about the examination of CAT, yes, it is considered to be one of the most competitive examination, but is not a difficult examination. It is a different examination because it requires a different approach altogether to crack it. It requires a lot of mental stability to actually get through this particular examination. If I talk about the competition part of it, yes, it is a very competitive examination because more than 2 to 2.5 lakh people apply for this particular examination. And for what? For the 5,000 seats which are there in all the 20 IIMs put together, all the baby IIMs, the old IIMs, and all of them, including the Blackie, of course. If you target a top tier IIM, which I prefer to call it as the Blackie IIMs, you need to be one amongst the 1,000 of the individuals who appear for such examination. Even getting into one of the 5,000 seats, you have to be nearly 2.5% of the people will be able to get there. Comprehensive masterclass on this particular examination of CAT. And not just CAT, but all the other MBA entrance examination, considering the stiff competition, the approach which is required to crack such an examination, and also taking in mind that the individuals who are studying with us might not all of them be from the IITs or the top engineering background, but would be from the commerce background as well, art background as well, and thereby we take every concept from the very roots of it and discuss it to the very zenith of it. So this particular course would be offering you all the in-depth coverage of the complete syllabus, including the syllabus discussions, the preparation strategy that needs to go behind that. We will also be discussing with you the exhaustive solution of all the previous year question paper. The mock test solution and the analysis of it would be the most important part for you to play, because how you are appearing in the examination or the mocks, that need to be discussed with you, that what things are you doing right, what things are you doing wrong, and things like those. So that is one thing that we'll be very much focused on. We will also be discussing with you how to actually groom yourself and prepare yourself for what is your going to be your life after examination of CAT. Yes, that is the GWPI preparation needs to be done not today, tomorrow, but from right this particular moment. You cannot actually imagine or expect that you will be able to crack the examination of CAT and then also get into the IIMs, because near about 2 to 3 times of the individuals of the number of seats which are there, they are called for that, and it would be very difficult for you, for us actually, to groom you in the last 20 days or 30 days or so. So you have to start your preparation as well as groom yourself for the group discussions, personal interviews, and the written aptitude test. So all these cover up things would be discussed in this particular masterclass that we have curated for them. So if I talk about the instructor part of it, I will be taking up the quantitative aptitude and the logical reasoning data interpretation course for you for this particular examination of CAT. And I have more than 12 years of experience in mentoring the students for this particular examination. And so I know every part, every hinge of it. I myself have given the examination of CAT while I was preparing for it, yes. But after that, when I have actually cleared that, while I was teaching as well, I have given the examination of CAT for 7 years and I have got more than 99 percentile every time I give that particular examination. And I have been 100 percentiler in my particular domains. So this would actually, this is not something to boast about in front of you. It is just to make you understand that you are going to be in the right hands, right? So I am very sure that if you will be deciding to sign up with us right now, you will be making a best decision of your career life so that you can get into the best IM that you might be preparing for. So take a leap of faith with us and let's sign up and let's crack the examination of CAT together. Thank you guys.